On April 26, 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster caused dangerously high radiation levels, which resulted in evacuation zones that spanned 18 miles around the disaster site in Ukraine. The disaster has rendered the nearby towns lifeless, as the heightened radiation levels displaced more than 60,000 residents near the disaster site. In 2007, a researcher in New York discovered a group of fungi which may contain the key to restoring the environment in these deadly disaster sites. Regularly associated with the decomposition of dead leaves, plants, and animals, certain groups of fungi play an important role in our ecosystem, mainly the role of cleaning up, whether it be hazardous waste or killing off bacteria, as is the case with many fungal-derived antibiotics. Even the secondary roles of fungi, such as contributing to more plant growth, is impactful. A new type of fungi which resided all over the radioactive walls of the Chernobyl plant turned out to be a group of black mold which contained a skin pigment called melanin. Researchers performed a test on the black mold, which involved exposing one group of the fungi to normal conditions, and the other group to radiation levels 500 times above the environment of the first group. The second group grew rapidly, seemingly feeding off of the radiation as a form of energy. This is potentially a cheaper, more natural, and more effective method of containing the deadly levels of radiation in these disaster sites such as Chernobyl. Oyster mushrooms have also proven to aid in cleaning up petroleum products, such as oil contamination from the oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. Furthermore, fungi naturally produce antibiotics to kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria, and fungi is actually where we get penicillin from. Also, after mushrooms release their spores, they begin to decompose. This translates to food for bugs. More bugs means more birds to eat the bugs, and more birds means more widespread seed dispersal, which ultimately means more plant life. From cleaning up petroleum and radioactive waste to cleaning up dead leaves in your backyard and allowing for a more diverse plant life at the same time, fungi are so much more than just a pizza topping.